guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I want to make for you a simple healthy juice that you can all try at the comfort of your house. So I have my 4 medium-sized carrots, I have my 2 apples, I have 1 lemon and a knob of ginger. So let's start peeling. So you make sure all your fruits are washed, or everything is washed rather. I've just washed mine, and I like peeling my fruits. I don't know about you, like some people just do it like they just wash and they do it like that, but for me I like peeling them. I don't know, because so that it can bring out a brighter color, and with that I always just think everything is clean. Yeah, that's me, guys. You can do it your way. You can just wash and just blend, you know. No offense, so long as your hands are clean and your fruits are washed. So no offense on that. If you don't have this tool that I'm using to peel, you can always just use a knife, you know. You can use a knife to do this. So don't just rule out this juice because you don't have this, you know. Use your knife at the comfort of your home. So you make sure you peel off. So with the carrots, what you do after that is, okay, you just remove this. And then you remove the lower part. Well, we always have the roots, because you can see what it looks like. I prefer just to remove the sharp knife. You just slice it like this. To save on time, you just do it all together. Open your blender. 2 washed apples. With these ones, I don't peel. I don't know if you all do. But with these ones, I'm just gonna do it like that. You just rough chop them, or you chop them roughly. Is it chop or dice? I don't know. Is it chopping or dice? Then with this also, it goes into your blender just like that. Remove the seeds. You take your lemon. You peel the outer skin. With this juice, guys, it helps protect your eyes. That's for the carrot. The whole mixture of it helps improve your immunity. So you cut this also just like that, and then you place inside. You remove this. Then we have ginger, guys. Okay, I was explaining what this juice will help you with. So it helps improve your eyesight or protect your eyes. It boosts your immunity. It's good to take in the morning. When you just wake up, you prepare this, or when you have it in your fridge, you can store it in your fridge. The lemon will help your juice to last longer, and it will keep it fresh. So that's why I've added one lemon. The carrot helps your skin to glow. Ladies and gents, so it's good to try. So here is our ginger, roughly chopped, done. Yeah, like that. Orange color, that's for the carrots. Our apples, our ginger, our lemon, and just everything. So guys, I've just blended my juice. What you do is, in case you see like your juice is thick, you add water. I've used 1.5 glasses of water. So now I'm gonna just, so I have a strainer and a bowl. Pouring so nicely. I don't know if some people just drink it like that, but for me, I just sieve because, I don't know, is it because of my blender? Like I don't have the best blender in the world? I don't know, but yeah, I have to sieve. Just like that, as you all see. I'm gonna add more. Strainer. So you just strain your juice the second round because the bigger sieve has some big holes. So I've decided just to sieve again. So guys, our juice that I got from that and everything. So kindly make this juice because it's so helpful. It boosts your immune system, it protects your eyes, it helps control cholesterol and improves your brain function, and yeah, and many more. So guys, let's have our juice, healthy juice. There, our juice you can add if you want. Yeah, a little more. And then straw. So guys, here is our healthy juice, and cheers for many more love, more juice. So cheers guys, and may God bless you. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly, if you're new here, do consider to subscribe. If you're always here with us, thank you so much. Make sure you comment, you subscribe, make sure you comment, you like, and you share with your friends. So you who is new here, stop being a stranger and join the winning cooking family. Thank you.